watch me make my mom a headboard, honey, from scratch, because I'm doing her whole bedroom over for her. And I'm going to give y'all the story of, being pregnant at 14.
What? Oh, look at that. Check you out.
Before I get into today's story time, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you share this video with your family and friends, and meet me down there in the comment section, honey, because we got some things to discuss. We got some things to talk about, okay? So the cat is out the bag. I got pregnant at 14, had my first baby at 15. My first baby was 8 pounds, 10 ounces, 21.25 inches long. Okay, that was my baby. That was my name, Sean. Okay, that's my Sean Bond. Now, being pregnant at 14 had its core. Man, that shit was hard, y'all, because I was in high school. I just graduated middle school, and I'm a freshman fucking pregnant and shit, And a lot of girls would try to bully me, y'all. It was a lot of shit. They were saying I was a hoe and da-da-da-da-da. The whole time, I wasn't even out here doing shit. The whole, how I got pregnant would blow they fucking mind if I opened up my mouth and told them. But I never told them that shit. Why? Because it's none of their fucking business. It's none of their damn concern. All I was doing was babysitting. I was babysitting. I just happened to be at the wrong place at the right time, because regardless who the babysitter was, she was going to be the damn victim, okay? That's how it was going to happen. Unfortunately, it had to be me, but fortunately, it was me, because I do not regret my son. It was very hard being pregnant at 14. It was even harder having a baby at 15. But what I will say is, if you have a support system, you better be thankful, honey, because there's women out here that do not have one. It is young mothers out here that does not have one. It is people out here that just don't have a damn support system, no matter what the age is. Hell, they could be... let's get back to the story, okay? Fuck that. Listen, calm down, girl. So, when I was 15, my sister and my mom, they really was like... my mom had my son so much that I didn't even really have to be a mother if I wanted to. To be quite honest with y'all, I could have been out here doing anything in the world. But no, I still went to school. I still bust my ass. I did everything that I was supposed to do to get my damn high school diploma. And guess what I did? Got my motherfucking high school diploma. I sure did. And what did I also do? I went to college. Baby, I was in high school and college at the same damn time. Tell me about some shit. And it's crazy because my own dad was sitting up here telling me every fucking week, every month, this man was coming to me talking about he got abortion money. Honey, he stopped talking about abortion when I was like 6 or 7 months, y'all. Every time my phone rang, I cried, because I just sat here and was like, wow, this what you finna say to me? It got to the point where my sister and my mom would snatch the phone away from me and sit up there and like snap on him. And he would always tell me like I'm fucking my life up and I just ruined my whole life. My body ain't fully developed. I don't even know how to be a teenager. How can I know how to be a mother? I ain't never gonna graduate high school. I'm not never gonna graduate college. I'm gonna be a welfare baby. I'm always gonna have to depend on the state. Y'all, I heard so much fucked up shit from my own dad. Y'all, woo, Jesus. When you talk about traumatized, honey, my face should pop up. Shit, if you look that up on Google, my whole life should fucking pop up. I've been traumatized before I came into this damn world. This shit is crazy. But I would not take that back for nothing, because I went above and beyond just to show my son, no matter what situation you in, baby, you can always come about it. I kept my son. I never went through with the abortion because I always wanted love. I didn't have that at home. Hell, my brothers was in jail. My sister, she was always working. I didn't have nobody. My oldest sister is a crackhead. Let's be real. I didn't have nobody to go to. I couldn't even talk to my mom. You know what I mean? So mothers and young ladies right now, whoever is watching this, please have an open door to communication with some type of adult or with your children, because I promise you they need it. They be wanting to talk to you about all type of shit, but the first thing every parent wants to react on is anger. That's the first emotion they want to do. And then you sit up there and you be like, I don't want to say nothing because I don't want my mama to go to jail. I don't want my dad to go to jail or whatever. So you just hide it. Honey, just have an open relationship with your child so that you would not your child won't be in a situation like mine. Granted, I couldn't control my environment, but I beat myself up every day. Was $40 really worth going over there and having to be traumatized? Like, I do got a blessing from it. I got my son, but y'all catch what I'm saying. That's how it was, me being pregnant at 14, had my baby at 15, y'all. So if you enjoyed today's story time, go on, meet me down there in that comment section, honey. I appreciate it. This is what my mom's room looked like. She's letting me do the whole room, and I'm super duper excited. I also did that painting up there, and that's going to be a future video. That'll be out next week. My next video will be interviewing my uncle on surviving Jeffrey Dahmer, honey. And that'll be out tomorrow. So with further ado, y'all, I just want to say thank you for listening to me. And if ain't nobody to tell you today, honey, I am proud of you. You are loved. You are cherished. You are everything plus more, honey. So I'm going to see y'all tomorrow with that interview coming straight from the horse's mouth, honey. Interviewing my uncle on surviving Jeffrey Dahmer.